Good evening, everyone. Warm greetings to all participants of Skill Veda online 1 month course series. We are delighted to have you on board. At Skill Veda, our is to empower individuals through accessible, high quality learning experiences, be it a short term course, webinar, or hands on training. As your partner in skill development, we offer a diverse range of learning opportunities, including webinars, offline workshop, training programs, all designed to help you achieve your career aspirations. Let's dive into second class of 1 month certification course on Jollyphonics. We will explore group 2 with C and K sound identification and will be doing craft of Jollyphonics. Joining us is the accomplished Miss Debjani Das, a renowned trainer and consultant with over 30 years of experience in the field of education, who will share her expertise. Welcome, Miss Das.
A very good evening and welcome to our third batch of the Jollyphonics, and today is going to be the second day. So, as I have received little bit of feedback, uh, what are the clarifications that you need for the last class so that I can give you a quick review for that, and then I'll start for the today's class. Can you
Any
let me know
doubts,
that?
any queries, you can go ahead, please.
Yeah, please do that so that I can go for a quick review and then we will start.
Devjani
And
ji, we can
please,
give a short summary of, then we can start.
yes, that we can do it.
Yes.
So I will do what I did last class. It
Yes.
was the definition of Jollyphonics and how Jollyphonics is helpful or better than other three phonic system, right? And then what are the ways and methods of introducing the various sounds. And I also told you that we are going to learn 42 sounds, right? So this is the whole summary of the last class. Any doubt on this? And the method of teaching is LSRW. That is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. That was the methodology, which is strictly followed in Jollyphonics. Anything else that you want me to clarify? All good to start?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And if you all can please kindly switch on your mobile, because unless and until it is an interactive uh, session, it is difficult for us to enjoy the training. Because to enjoy the training, you must switch on your camera. Yes. So any doubt about group 1? It's all okay? Okay. So now coming to group 2. So there are, first to start with, two very common sounds, that is C and K. K, K. Both sound similar. Both sound similar. K and K. Then the next sound is A. 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 It's like, you are breaking an egg. A. A. Egg. Okay. And C and K, for K, C, small c, it's, have you ever seen that castanets? Castanets? Castanets is a small musical instrument. When the tango players that they dance, when they dance that Brazilian, that Portuguese dance, they play it like this. There is a song in Hindi film, Senorita. Have you heard that song?
Yes, yes.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, that movie. So there that lady plays that castanets. So that's K. And for K, it is a kite you fly in the sky. Right? For A, it's like egg. A, A, A. Ha. Ha is hopping. Hopping. Like a gush of hot air coming out of your mouth. Ha. 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 Have you ever seen a dog tearing a bone or a rag or a mat? Have you ever seen that? And you try to take it out from them? Come on, it's an interesting interactive session. Come on, tell me. Have you heard that sound? How that dog makes noise? Don't be so serious.
Yes, ma'am, we heard.
How? Me too, they. One Bengali I have found. Yes, good.
She is a
Yeah,
principal also. She is a principal also.
Okay, principal ma'am. Good
Yeah.
to see.
Thank you for the
Feel so-
introduction, ma'am. Yeah. Here I'm not a principal, I'm just a learner. I'm a student.
Everyone,
that
Neetu ji, everyone
brings-
is a learner. Everyone is a learner.
Yeah,
We,
ma'am, that's
we,
true,
I'm
that's
also
true.
a learner here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, it's a sound like you just they are just giving that sound.
no, when you try to take it away. Yes. Alkaji, instead of writing that, why don't you say that? Because writing, I cannot hear what is the sound. It's like
That sound because yes. Yes.
When
Yes,
the
yes.
tearing with the bone and you want to take it away. It's not r.
Okay.
Your tongue is rolling and vibrating.
Yeah.
Because why? We in the first class we have learned that Jolly Phonics teaches us the purest form of the sound. Right? So it's So tomorrow is Sunday, right, Mitudi?
Yes.
So you're going to have a very tasty breakfast of luchi and tarkari. That's a typical
Sure,
Bengali.
ma'am. Cook me. Yeah.
So after eating that, what will you do?
Yeah.
So you are not going to take your lips inside. It's not it's it's not it's right?
Yeah.
And then you
Okay.
beat your I love to beat my own drum. I'm very good. I'm this and that. Da, 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 beating my own drum. So it's da, 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 da. Is it clear? The sounds?
Yeah,
We will listen to the sounds. We'll come to this afterwards. First, let's listen to the sound. Can you hear it? No. You won't be able to hear it. Wait. Yeah.
We are clicking.
Now, is it clear? Clear?
Yeah.
The sound is clear?
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Let's do it.
Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
E.
Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the
Rip the
rag
rag
when he
when
pulls
they
so
pull so
hard.
hard. When they pull so harsh.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
So let's beat the drum all together.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. See me play upon my drum.
drums. Good to go. So please do the actions with me, because Jolly Phonics is all about action and fun. It is nothing very serious, because here you are teaching the toddlers. It is basically the age group of 3 to 5. So remember, 3 to 5 will never enjoy the class if you are just telling them it's r, it's k. No, they will not. See, then again you are taking them to that same old rote learning way. If phonics is all about you're taking them out from that rote learning and giving them a lifelong learning process. Right. See, when you are doing an action, even with a 2 years old, trust me, even they won't be able to recognize the letter. They will be able to identify the sound with the action. Whenever you do, they will start doing it. This is tasted. This is tried. You say, duh, they will start doing the action. So that means they are becoming a lifelong learners. So please make sure that they do the action with me. Because if you don't do the action, then there is no fun element added to it. Now, the best part is coming. C and K, both sounds the same. Now, how will you make the children understand that how they are being different and when to use C and when to use K? Suppose you say, ask a child, spell king. And the child say, C-I-N-G, king. For him, he is correct because both sounds K. So what explanation? See, out of 10, I think only 2 cameras are on. 3. So what explanation you will give a child to understand that what is the difference when to use C and when to use K?
Madam, actually C sounds whenever we are taking initially at the front, we pronounce it as a K, and whenever it is coming in between the letter or at the end of the word, it is pronounced as S.
Give me an example.
For example, CAML camel and BRUCE Bruce.
Okay. Now
Whenever
tell
it is
me, whenever it is coming in the front. So if you ask a child to spell king, if child says, okay, K is in the beginning, so I will say C-I-N-G, king. He is correct. According to your logic.
that is correct.
Rest is correct. So let us hear a story. 2 friends, C and K. C is a little short And K is a tall friend. Like I'm very short and Miss Jain is tall. Taller than me, I'm sure. Miss Jain, you will be taller than me? So we two are friends. Okay, so we went to a park. We were walking, holding each other's hand. Now, K said, how people are going to identify us. So C said, yeah, that's a problem. When they are going to identify us. When to use me and when to use you. That's a big problem. What they thought, they said there is 5 magic letters. There are 5 magic letters because without them we are nothing. So now let's divide these 5 letters between 2 of us. She is a clever one. I'm Nata, na? I'm clever one. So she is tall. She is little bit achhi hai, bholi hai. So I said, okay, I'll take 2, 3 because I'm short. I'm little in a disadvantage position. I cannot get things from top. I cannot pluck mango from the plant, from the tree. You can do all this because you're tall. So you take 2 magic letter. I'll take 3 magic letters. So K said, okay, good. So what are the magic letters that C took? A, O, and U. And what are the 2 that K took? I and E. So it was fine. Discussed, divided, everything was fine. No confusion. So when we are saying C-O-T, cot, K-I-N-G, king. All done. But C तो थोड़ा सा है ना बदमाश. रात को at night slowly entered K's room and stole those magic letters and went. In the morning, when K found his magic letters are gone, and he was so angry because अच्छे इंसान जल्दी गुस्से में नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन जब होते हैं तो they become भयंकर, है ना मिस जैन? So he was very angry. He went to C's room and said, you naughty friend of mine, you took my magic letters also. Keto was caught red-handed. Very scared. Nay, I took it by mistake. No. Now what the punishment is, when you will be using my magic letters, you cannot take your sound. You have to use your name. So don't punish me, please. No, you have to face the punishment. She said, okay. So when you see use I comes after C, what is the pronunciation of C?
Guys, if you have any doubt, please go ahead. अगर आप ऐसे चुपचाप बैठोगे ना, आपको समझ में आएगा ना, ट्रेनर मोटिवेट होगा. Any
थोड़ा सा
questions,
प्लीज मेरे
Miss Malati? Any questions, Miss Alka, Sarvajit ji, Sunil Kumari ji, Ramanpreet ji, जनक नंदन जी, प्लीज गो अहेड विथ क्वेश्चंस. कोई डाउट है, कुछ भी आप पूछिए.
So when we are writing this, what is the pronunciation of C? How is C pronounced?
C.
Citrus?
C.
Citrus? No,
Citrus.
citrus. So C is taking its name. C is taking its name. It cannot use its sound. It is not citrus. It is citrus. we all know that sometimes I, instead of I, we can use Y. So this is not cycle, it is cycle. So now Vinayakji, you know why C is pronounced S. Now you can give a better logical answer to your students. Right? Maza aaya? So we will see.
Any doubt, Debjani ji, just for a minute. Any doubt, any questions, please, we are waiting.
I'm waiting. I'm not in a hurry.
Yeah.
Devyani
Vinay,
ma'am is teaching so nicely. No doubt, ma'am.
she is very senior consult, very, very senior. She doesn't have the time, but we convinced her, nahi, nahi, aapko lena
As she is
padega.
explaining
That's
each
why
and
she is here.
everything minutely, really there is no doubt.
Thank
Devjani
you,
ji,
Janaka ma'am.
Janak Nandani ji also a principal. Now she has moved to
Huh?
Chennai. Now she has moved
I
to
think we
Chennai.
met earlier also.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Early
yes.
childhood care education, that certification we had met.
ECC, she was there in ECC.
In
Yeah.
ECC, na?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
yes,
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 ma'am. Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
yes. That's why I could relate the name. I said
Yes, yes.
I saw you somewhere.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. That this actually motivates me. But yes, I need a more of the participation, more of the participation.
I am here. Don't worry, Devjani ji. I will ask doubt.
So this is, see this you have to draw two pyramids, and K is taking 2 and C is taking 3. So can we now we called the C the curly caterpillar. Curly caterpillar, right? And K we can call kicking K. Kicking K. Now you can, I'll give you 5 minutes. If you can draw this, if you can, you have to draw this, click the picture and send it to Jain ma'am. Quickly. I'll show the pictures once again. Curly caterpillar and kicking K. Draw, color, stick, do whatever.
Please don't send in the group, send individually to me.
Excuse me, am I supposed to draw drawing of caterpillar?
See,
I did not.
this one. You can draw a curly caterpillar, you name it, because curly, you can hear the pronunciation.
This is just for your reference. You can
This is
innovate
kind of,
it.
yes, this is your reference. You can innovate it. Now,
Yeah.
today, you can just draw simply because your homework will be this on this. You will be having an assignment on this. So you can now just draw and send me. And after this, you have to modify it. You have to name the character according to the pronunciation.
We will send the assignment in the group first. Let the
Yes.
class be over. Then we will be
Yes.
sending assignment in the group.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the caterpillar curly, and this is the kicking K. Focus on the name that has been given to each.
Are you people sending you the craft, the art, or I'm waiting?
Yeah, please. 5 minutes. 3 minutes only left now.
You have given the 5 minutes time? Okay.
Yeah. 3 minutes.
Okay.
It is easy. Just draw, color, and send it.
Okay.
So done? We are
Are
done?
we done with the assignment now?
Yeah.
Everyone, have you done the assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please share me in the WhatsApp.
Click the picture and send it.
Okay, Alka ji, no problem. No problem. Ramanpreet ji, you have to color it also, na?
Okay, I'm starting with the next one. आपने भेजा ना मेरे को?
Please write your name on the paper because it will be very difficult for us.
Hmm. So now we will be doing one very this is a very not we are not going to go into the details of schwa because it's a little part of Jolly Phonics. That is what is a schwa in Jolly Phonics. The schwa is a vowel sound that appears in an unstressed syllable. So now, if you have an idea about syllable, so there are two kind of syllable that we get. That is a stressed syllable and unstressed syllable. Do you all know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So others, because I'm not
At
going to.
least please say yes or no so that we could understand कि आपको
हाँ,
समझ में आ भी रहा है नहीं आ रहा है.
actually.
Actually, madam, really quite. I am
अब
social
बताइए.
studies teacher, madam. So
आप
I am actually social science teacher.
अच्छा.
So I'm not well acquainted related to this pronunciation, accents. So just for the sake of learning, I have joined the training session so I can learn, and I want
That's
to.
very good. That's very good because it will improve your spellings, improve your dictions, and it can be
Yeah.
an added, what should I say, added qualification to your, because see, I am also from a social science background.
Mm.
Okay. So, but now I'm into training and I'm training phonics and others also. So it doesn't matter that whether which background you are coming from, as long as you are willing to learn, it is like there are two kind of syllable. One is stressed syllable and one is unstressed syllable. Syllable is we break the word into
Yes.
in such a way that where we are putting the stress on,
Yes. Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So unstressed is there are some combination of letters where we don't put much stress. Like when we are saying about, it's not about, it's about, right? Along, banana. So it is a or e kind of a pronunciation that we hear. Okay, so these unstressed syllable, basically they are A, E, I, O, U, where you get schwa sounds like a or e. Okay, pi, I. Okay, so this is the schwa in Jolly Phonics. We won't get details because schwa is basically when they are doing these syllables. So just a small little part, I want to get touch with this so that you also get little bit hands-on with the schwa words.
And then
Okay.
I'm just asking one confusion is there. Means I want to ask from you this part that schwa is not so much important factor in
In
jollyphonics, but
jolly
it
phonics,
can.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for
Okay.
the little bit of idea about it. See, like where we
So
are putting the stress and how these are pronounced. Like in banana, it's not banana,
yeah.
it's banana. So we are not pronouncing the a sound, the like a in full stretch. Just putting a
Okay.
little bit of yes,
That
yes.
is the part of schwa you mean to say.
Yeah, a little part of schwa. Yeah, it's not
Okay.
in details. You don't have to get because schwa is a very detailed study in syllable.
So, ma'am, in crisp, if we can ask for the means what is schwa? So how we can get the definition? What's schwa means
So
where we have to go ahead.
you can ask is schwa if you want to get. Please see the videos where they are teaching you syllables.
Okay, okay.
You
It's a
will
part
get the
of syllable
details.
we can say.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is a detailed part, not a small part.
Okay, okay. Got it, ma'am. Got it. Thank you
because
very much.
because you have to know the schwa, then only
Mm-hmm.
you can break the words in a proper syllable way.
Okay, okay. Great. Fine.
So
Thank you very much, ma'am. That's why I asked. Yeah, what
yeah,
is schwa? Actually, I was not getting that part. Yeah.
schwa is a less stressed vowels that you can say.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Now in ये कहाँ से आ गया ये कहाँ से आ गया ये कहाँ से आ गया this is not mine
I think someone's WhatsApp is shared over here. I was about to say this.
Miss Jain ma'am,
Yeah, I'm
just check.
checking. I'm checking.
Yeah, because I cannot open the whiteboard.
Let me. Let's.
Yeah, thank you. So in last class, one thing I mentioned that is when we are teaching them the sound of a word, we have to always say how many words, how many sounds you can hear, and these how many sounds you can hear, it should be noted with a dot, right? So I'll just give you an example of it. Suppose I write this. Now, when I'm asking, Sunil ma'am, Kumari ma'am, please do not write on the board. Uh, when we are writing this cat, now what we can ask that to the children, how many sounds you can hear? How many sounds you can hear in the word cat? Cat, right? So they will say ka, a, ta. They will do it with the fingers first. Ka, a, ta. So how many? 1,
Three.
2, and 3. Yes. So now the teacher will do it. Ka, this is not red. Yes. Ka, a. These are dot, okay? Ta. Ka, a, ta. So how many sounds you can hear? Three sounds.
Three.
So, yes. So, suppose if I give you another word, okay. Now, tell me how many sounds you can hear. How many dots will be there?
4 sound, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
A, ch, pat.
S, P, A,
A.
T. Right? So I will give you another 10 words. Please do the classwork and send it to me within 10 minutes. 10 words, 10 minutes. So do you want me to write the words or do you want me to dictate the words?
You can
You
dictate, ma'am.
can dictate, ma'am.
Dictate? Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
The first one, tip. Tip, pip, pant. Tip, pip, pant. Spin and tan. And eat.
Ma'am, spin after what will come, ma'am? Spin after
Let me write it down. I
pants,
forget.
spin,
I forget. What are the words I said?
tip, pip,
Tip,
pants, spin,
pip,
And tan, and
pip, pant,
it.
spin,
spin, and it. It's snap. Tin. Okay. And you have to put the red dots under each. That's not any other color. It has to be with the red ink pen. These dots. These are the sound buttons. They are called sound buttons. Without knowing this, you cannot go ahead with these Jolly Phonics. So you have to be very much thorough with the sound buttons. This is only group 1 I am doing. This is an earnest request once again. From next class, please make sure that your videos are on. And you please participate. There are only 2-3, like Vinayak sir, Malti ma'am, and Meetu ma'am. They are interacting, participating. But please make sure that all of you participate, because Jollyphonic is something with lot of fun and interactions.
I have solved in my notebook, ma'am.
Yes, please take picture and send it to Miss Jen. Please do not write
Okay.
over here. Click the picture and send it to Miss Jen.
तिकडं करते जायचं कसं आपलं करतो बघा आता ते पिठलं आणि चपाती
Please don't send in the group, send me individually. And write your name on the paper.
Acha, one more thing. Whenever you are sending the work, please do it in a proper way, write it in a proper way, because these are all going to count in your marks. Don't just for sake of scribble it and send it, because this is, as a teacher, if we don't be disciplined, then we cannot expect from our student to become disciplined. So your work shows your discipline. So whenever you are sending some work, please send it in a proper way. And Janmam, see, somebody is again shared.
Yeah, this is not mine actually. Somebody else
No,
has.
it is not yours. It is somebody else's.
Yeah, somebody has scanned that QR code, which was there. Now it's fine.
Yeah, Alka ma'am, I know that you are outside, but make sure that when you are putting the dots, it should be with the color red.
Please don't send in the group, send me individually.
Hmm. Done?
Am I audible to all of you?
Yeah.
But still you people are sending me in the group. I am saying don't send in the group, but you people are sending.
I sent you personally, ma'am.
Vinayak ji, I know you have sent me personally. Other people are sending in the group.
So any doubt about the sound buttons? See, if you don't switch on your
No, ma'am.
videos, if you don't say yes or no, then I will next time I'll come, I'll give lecture and
No
I'll
doubts,
go.
ma'am.
No doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
From my side, ma'am, actually, I have reached out, but I won't, disturb the class today because the previous class I missed. So I will
Mitu
refer
ji,
Okay.
that.
Mitu ji,
Yes.
please go ahead.
Please
No-
do it because we have time. We will
Okay,
pura
okay.
we will
So when sound buttons means I want to understand on that part.
yes.
Just in
See,
crisp.
when we are doing the sounds with the children, suppose we have just done the first part, right? We have
Okay.
done group 1. You were not there in the group 1 when I did the group 1. See, the first thing
Mhm.
is when you are introducing the consonants, it should be in the purest form. So the consonants, whatever you are introducing, should come at the end of any word. Okay,
Okay.
whatever you are doing it.
Mhm.
And because we don't want any other sound to block the way of that. Yeah,
Okay.
Sarvajit, sir, I'm coming to you. And the second part is when we are doing the vowel, introducing the vowel, it should be always in the beginning of the word, like apple, ant, egg. So again,
Mhm, mhm.
it is the purest form. It is not a, it is a. Okay,
Mhm.
e.
Okay.
So we have divided the 42 sounds. So, Mitu ma'am, we have how many alphabets we have?
Yeah, 27.
No, we have 20.
20,
We have
21.
we have one alphabet. Okay.
Okay. Alphabet. Okay. Okay. One alphabet. Mhm.
We have one alphabet because in English there is no alphabets. It is alphabet.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
one
Okay.
alphabet we have, and we have 42 sounds and 26 letters.
26 letters. Okay. Alphabet is one. Okay.
Right? Right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
42 sounds, 26 letters with one alphabet. Correct? So now
42 sounds. Okay. Yeah.
we have 42 sounds in Jollyphonics. Correct?
Okay.
Now, when we are doing the sounds, this is the first group. And this 42 sound is divided into how many groups? 7 groups. Okay?
Okay.
In 7 groups. So each group is having 6 sounds. The first group we did in the last class, that is Satipan. I think you will be getting the notes. Okay,
Yeah.
it's mentioned there. So Satpin each sound in Jollyphonics, when you're introducing the sounds, it should always be introduced through story. Okay, like
Mhm.
snake is in the grass.
Mhm.
Snake is in the grass. So ant
Sound.
on my arm, ant on my arm, ant on my arm, causing me alarm. Alarm. Okay. Now, t. It's a tennis match. It's t, 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 t. When you go and watch a tennis match, our heads goes to and fro, right? T, 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 t. Then when we blow a candle, how we blow a candle? We put a finger on our lips, near our lips, and we blow it. And a gush of hot air comes and it touches the tip of your finger. Puh, 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 puh. It's not puh. It's puh, puh, puh. Then there's a sound of an aeroplane. When an aeroplane flies, it makes a sound like See, Jollyphonics is something which every child will love to learn. So you have to make it full of fun, full of actions. Then for I, there is a small story. I have a pet mouse in my room, very naughty. It stays in the hole on the wall of my room. One day I went to school, I came back, I saw that naughty mouse ran all over my house and it jumped on my study table and there was an ink pot and he threw all the ink everywhere and it became all inky. So I started calling the mouse E Inky the mouse, E Inky the mouse. Right? So this is the beginning of the first group. Now when we are forming those words, how a child will identify how many sound are there in that particular word. So to identify the words, you have to use sound buttons. And these buttons are identified with a red color. Okay, you can write anything, with any color, the word. Suppose I write the word spin. Now tell me, Mitu ma'am, how many sound you are hearing? Spin. How many sound?
3
S-
sounds, ma'am.
no.
Four.
Four
Sorry, ma'am.
sounds, ma'am.
4 sounds.
Yes.
Four
You
sounds,
can,
ma'am.
you can hear s, p, e,
E,
mm,
spin.
right? So,
E.
so what we will do? We will put s. Now the children are going to identify that s, p, e, n, 4 sound. But if I write now, how many sound you can hear?
3.
3 sounds.
3 sounds. Yes. So you have to put a, because C and H is not pronouncing their original sound. They are being pronounced a different sound. So there will be 1 dot, a, and t. Right? So, ch, a, t, ch, a, t. 3 sounds. So there will be 3 sound button. How many sound? 3 sound button. So is it clear, Mitu ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Surely. Right? So this is what the sound button is all about.
Thank you very much, ma'am, to revise this chapter for me.
No, it's okay. It's my duty, because if you don't understand, then it is no point in it's my training is not then completed. So
Thank you.
your sound button is clear with you now,
Yeah.
Mitu ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's clear.
So
it's
you can
clear.
send the work now, and I will be shortly sending a word assessment for the group 1 and 2. Is
Okay,
there any
fine.
doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I have a doubt. The thing is, like, I have joined from my in-laws. I came to my in-laws' house, so I joined very late. So today's class I missed, ma'am.
Okay, I will revise it on Tuesday, surely.
Okay.
Because every day we will revise and then we will start.
Our every class will start
Yeah.
from the revision of the previous class. Then we will go ahead. है ना Devjani ji? Am I right?
Because that,
Absolutely, you are right.
because
You are
that
right.
CK rule, I just wanted to know that CK rule, since you told me like on Tuesday that CK rule is very important.
It's
So
very
I thought,
important because when you
We
are
will do it
teaching.
again. Motorola signature ji, we will do it again.
आपका
Julie,
नाम भी.
ma'am, Julie.
Oh, Julie ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Fine. We
I
will do
will
it
also
again.
love to attend, because for me, Jolly Phonics many a times I have heard, but it's a very important to participate from the zero. And today is my zero class, I can say, to just understand the button word and all words and sounds. So, ma'am, I will be also enlightened to get the things from your side, the enrichment you will
Of
be going to
course.
give again.
Sure, I will there with all of you. I will be trying,
And
giving my best.
you are giving us a very detailed explanation, which we really liked it, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, because unless and until you learn, my training is incomplete. Anyone else?
Any
Anything
questions?
else?
Anything else you want to say, ask, or suggest?
No, ma'am, from things are very clear, very pretty clear.
And
I think
Mitu ji, we will be sharing the notes also in the group. And
yeah, ma'am.
today's
Thank you very
assignment
much for
also
that.
I will post in the group.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. I think we are done with the class till now. And in the third class, we will be meeting on Tuesday now. Tuesday. At the same time, because people were saying for the different timing, but they didn't mention in the group. So we are keeping it 7 only.
Yeah, I mentioned,
But
but
actually,
others
Mitu
have,
ji,
yeah.
yeah, I know you mentioned, but no other
But others
suggested
had,
na
yes.
ki, yeah, that's why. Okay, fine. Thank you everyone for joining us, and we will be posting everything in the group. Any doubts, any question, please do post in the group.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
very much,
Thank you.
both of
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Devjani,
you.
ma'am,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
for
much.
being
Ma'am.
patient. And
Thank
Jan, ma'am,
you.
Thank you,
Twinkle, ma'am,
Devjani
thank
ji.
you for
No.
always support.
No, I'm always.
All are supporting to each other actually. That's the
Yeah, we are
appreciation.
here for that.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you. Good night,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Good
Have a
night.
nice day
Good
to
night.
everyone.
Good night.
thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vinayak ji. Thank you.